Chocolate Bundt cake recipe. Preheat oven to 180 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. Melt 1 cup of unsalted butter in a microwave. In a jug, add 1 cup of water. Mix the melted butter in. Add 2 cans of condensed milk, 400 ml. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Add 1 teaspoon of hazelnut essence. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt. Through a sieve, add half a cup cocoa powder. Add 2 cups maida or all-purpose flour. Add 1 teaspoon baking soda. Add 2 teaspoons baking powder. Using a fork, sieve through the ingredients quickly. Add half a cup of hazelnuts. Butter a Bundt pan. Mix the wet into the dry ingredients. Mix until no batter chunks remain dry. Pour into the Bundt pan. Tap on the counter. Add a few hazelnuts on top. Bake for 30 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Take out of the oven. Let it cool for 30 minutes. Cool to touch. Flip to decorate. Knock gently to take out of the pan easily. Heat 1/4 cup fresh cream. In another bowl, add 15 pieces of Amul dark chocolate. Pour the cream on top of the chocolate. Let it sit for a minute. Mix until the chocolate is nice and glossy, like this. Coat the cake with the chocolate ganache. I decorated the cake by adding some hazelnut coated chocolate and plain hazelnut. The cake is now ready to serve.